Hydrogen peroxide hacks you didn't know existed. Hair lightening. Mixing hydrogen peroxide with baking soda can be used as a natural alternative to hair lightening products. Teeth whitening. It can be used as a teeth whitening agent when mixed with baking soda. Plant care. It can be used to water plants, as it helps to remove any bacteria and fungus that may harm the plants. Laundry. It can be used to brighten and whiten clothes, as a substitute for commercial bleach. Cooking. It can be used as a cleaning agent for fruits and vegetables, as well as in the preparation of some food items like eggs and potatoes. Aquariums. It can be used in small amounts to treat fungal infections in fish. Removal of blood from menstrual cycle on clothing and other fabric. Hydrogen peroxide can be used for a variety of purposes in the household, from cleaning to disinfecting to removing tough stains. It's incredibly multifaceted and beneficial.